Good day, RK Figs here. It's that time of the year again where we're waking up the figs. Okay, this is my temporary greenhouse tent, and today I'm going to be giving them a nice shot of high nitrogen fertilizer to get things going and get the leaves growing, and I'll show you what that looks like. So just got this unzipped, and you can see everything is already kind of getting going on its own just by feeling the the warm weather. Everything is starting to move on its own, and you can see the little Breva figs coming out here. Okay, but we're gonna get things going a little bit quicker by applying a nice layer of high nitrogen fertilizer on everything. Okay, take a look at this little device. I'll leave a link down below if you're interested. This keeps track of the temperature and sends the info to my phone, so that I can even set it up to do some alerts, so that if things get too cold, I can maybe bring them in or do something like that. The other tool I got here, which I've mentioned before in my videos, I got a nice little heater there, and the heater I have plugged into this thermostat. This is Celsius, by the way, and if the temperature drops below a certain number, then the heater kicks in to keep these figs going, so that they don't stop and they don't get a frost, which would totally ruin everything I'm trying to do here. Now, I'm not too fond of, I don't know if you could see some of those branches are touching the top of the tent there. I'm not too fond about that, because they will get more cold than the rest. So I'm gonna get my fertilizer going, and I will let you know. For anybody that's interested, this is a Meyer lemon tree that I left in the garage as well with the figs. It's not dead. It did lose a lot of leaves. It did get cold this winter, but it's not dead, and we're gonna see if we can get that going too. Okay, so as always, okay, I never use whatever they recommend. I always use half the recommended dosage. So I'm going to, they give you this spoon here, and they want you to fill it up. So I always take half the spoon, all right, about half right there. I dump it in, and then I fill the rest with water. All right, we got our fertilizer ready to go, and we're gonna start fertilizing those trees. Okay, almost forgot a very important step. You gotta mix, because you don't want to have your fertilizer not mixed in well with the water. I want to show you these. So this barrel here, these are some trees that I have ground in ground bags. So I have this bag here, and I made some holes in it. I put it in the ground, and you could see the roots stick out, and every year I pull it out, I pack it away in my garage, and then next year I plant it again. So it gives the roots a chance to grow in the ground.